feeling great during a time of, where everyone isn't feeling so great about their mental health. And how have you dealt with your mental health, do you think, during the lockdown? What did you do to just pick yourself up?
You know what, Priyanka, the word here is being honest.
Yeah.
Being honest about everything. I do
Yeah.
not put anything below the carpet. If it even means the fact that today my husband and me, we've never been thrown into a situation as husband and wife where literally in the same house with my mom-in-law and two kids. It's a lot of pressure, you know. I mean,
It is
nobody, like,
absolutely.
tell you, families, of course they've come together, but they've come together literally like this, and
No,
then
no, absolutely. And there's no
so
end in sight. That's what's
there's no
scary.
inside. You're
Yeah.
frustrated, you're stressed out, you're scared. So you end up behaving out of your normal way of behavior, which can actually create tension. So mental health is really also about just being honest about what you're going through, talking about it, reaching out for help. But in my opinion, the true test is when you are tolerant and you are listening to what other people are going on around you, because
Definitely.
the situation is a whole. If I can tell you the reason maybe I've connected with all the followers out there is because nobody handles my Instagram account. I
Yeah.
listen. You know, I try. Of course, I can't be on it all the time, but I'm listening to the fact that there are these conversations going on and they're real conversations. Similarly, with my mom-in-law, Sassy Sasu, and my husband and my children, I'm listening. I'm listening to Hans come and say, "Mama, has Corona gone? Can I go out and play?"
Yeah. Yeah.
And, and my heart breaking because,
Yeah.
you know, in the beginning he was like not being able to understand and why he wasn't allowed as a child to just go to the park and play,
Absolutely.
or you know, why all this news was going around. We didn't understand that it was affecting him as a 5-year-old boy. So
Absolutely.
mental health for everyone should really be about listening, being tolerant, reaching out, and being there for people. Today is being there for yourself and being there for everybody else, because you know there are different levels of layers of how much panic is going on, especially with the news, and you need to sit there and honestly talk yourself out of the panic as well as people around you, you know.
Absolutely. And
Also,
and and just
and the
explaining it to the kids. How do you explain this to your kids? I mean, that must be the toughest part of the whole
yeah,
thing. Just having to,
he
what
said,
what do you say to them?
he asked me, he said, can we go and, you know, to meet, you know, my sister in Greece? She said, oh, now can we go to meet Meghna because my COVID is over? It's
Oh,
so innocent, you know, and they're
yeah.
so innocent. And we just have to just be there and try to make it easier, you know, for everyone. That's all. So communication for me is important. Talking is important. Sharing is important. And you definitely have to reach out if you're feeling low. Positivity is not about just keeping it together and being like, yo, I got this. It's really about every day taking what's bothering you and
And talking
trying
about
to build on it. So I
it.
always say positivity is hard work.
It is.
it's
And,
it's
and the more you talk about it, the more you will. I mean, so many times, sometimes people are a little close to talk about what they're going through. And the second you open up to them, I feel like they
yeah,
then open up to you also. And they're like, oh, I can relate to someone. I can talk about it also. So it's so important, like you said, to just talk about what you're feeling.
yeah.
No, absolutely, for sure. Savira, thank you so, so, so much for everything, all the lovely advice you've given us today. Thank you for joining us today. Your hair is looking gorgeous after all
Thank
that we've done and all
you.
that I've had you do.
Here we go.
No, it's looking stunning. It's looking stunning. Thank you again so much, and we will see you soon. And if there's anything you want to say to everyone before we
I,
sign out.
I have to say again, and I say this to everyone out there. People message me and say maybe how I've helped them. But guys, I want you to know how much you've helped me. I'm very
That's
serious. I feel like I have found a voice, and the voice can only happen when you all want that conversation and that voice. When you all want imperfectly perfect, you know, and you all make this a movement, it comes from y'all. And I just want to thank everyone. And thank you for being part of this live. Thank you, Vogue. This is my first live with you guys. And thank you, Dyson. Really, I love my Air app, guys. I really need to see more Dyson products because I'm